Hello, everybody, and have you guys been doing? Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how the guys can log in into my MyFordBenefits account. So for those people who do not know MyFord's benefit account, it's basically under Ford Company. So for those people who do not know Ford Company, let me show you guys what Ford is. Ford is basically a car company which is famous for making Jeeps. If you do not know, you guys might have seen these Jeeps on your country's road with a logo like this. That's basically what my Ford benefit is. So if you guys have a MyFordBenefit account, you can log into it by watching our video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you in order to log in into your MyFordBenefits account. First step, you want to search for MyFordBenefits. Once you search for it, you want to click on where it says www.myfordbenefits.com. It'll take you to the official website of Ford Benefits. So wait for some time until it loads up. Once it loads up, over here where it says user ID, enter your user ID over here. And make sure to click on accept cookies. Otherwise, you can use the website right here where it says passport. Make sure to enter the passport of your Ford benefit account and click on login. And if the username and password you entered is correct, you should be able to log in into your MyFordBenefit account. If you want to log in with Alt Mobile, you can click on Alt Mobile and it'll take you to the login page of Alt Mobile right. And if you forgot the username or password of your account, you can always click on Forgot Username or Password in order to recover the password or username of your MyFordBenefits account. And if you don't have an account and you want to create an account, you can click on New User and it'll take you to the web page where you guys can register for MyFordBenefits account. Alright, so hope you guys understand on how you guys can log in into MyFordBenefit account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.